In today's video, I will teach you how to create an Instagram story collage using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, create a canvas with a size of 1080 by 1920 pixels. To do this, go to the PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Collage. This will open up PicMonkey's Canvas preset library, which contains a wide variety of canvas size presets for every social media and prints. Now, scroll down until you see the Instagram category. Here, select the Instagram story canvas to open it in the editor. In the editor, you will notice different collage templates at the left side. Now, simply choose the right cell amount for your collage. If you find one with extra collage cells in it, simply delete the extra cells by selecting it and either press the delete key on your keyboard or click on the X button at the upper right corner of the cell that you've selected. To adjust the size of the cell, simply select the cell and either drag on the horizontal or vertical handles to adjust the cell size. You can also adjust the amount of spacing in between the cells in the spacing slider. And you also have the option to round up the edges of your cell. Now, to add images to your collage, go to the Photos and Videos tab, and you can either use stock images from PicMonkey's stock library, or you can upload your own image by clicking on the Add Photo or Video button. Once your image is uploaded, you can add it to your collage by simply dragging the image into the cell. But to make things easier, you can just click on Autofill Cells. Now, if you would like to make your Instagram story collage a little more fancy, you can use one of PicMonkey's Instagram story collage templates. To do this, click on the File option on the menu bar, Create New, and select Template. This will create a blank workspace where you can create a new design. Now, go to the Templates panel and type in Instagram Story Collage on the search bar. To open a template, simply click on it and it will automatically appear on your canvas. To replace the photos in the template, simply right-click on the photo that you would like to replace and select Replace Image. Now, select your image source, then open your chosen image in PicMonkey. Now, just play around with your design until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now save it to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.